Hi, welcome back to Postmark C channel and back to the tutorial for C programming and data structure. Today we are going to see the topic called binary tree example how to implement also. The previous session I explained about what is tree, introduction, what is tree and why we need, what are the properties of tree, also what types of tree, everything. Today we see the important topic called binary tree, what is binary tree, how to represent and how to implement in the C programming and how to create and display the elements in the tree and so on. Let's go for session today. Please support our channel if you are direct anything can communicate with the social media anytime. Let's see. So let's see what first we have to know what is binary tree. Binary tree is nothing but a tree in which each node can have two child nodes and each child node can have itself be a small binary tree. So binary tree means what? A tree having only two children, not more than that. Maximum is two children and the children may have other children sub children or not, does not matter. So this is a small example for a binary tree where you have a root. This is a root 1 root a and child a b and c. Again this b having the children d and e. Here c having the children of f and g here. So root A having the child B and C, B having again subchildren of D and E, and C having the children of F and G. Now, how do you represent the binary tree? If you want to represent, before representing now, a node of a binary tree is represented by a structure containing a data part and two pointers to other structures of the same type. So this is a general representation where you have a small coding that is structure node where you enter data, then a structure node asterisk symbol left and structure node asterisk symbol right. So the data left right, again data left right, again data left right. This is the overall representation of binary tree. So in whatever whether you do C or any program language, binary tree is a tree where it have two child. Remember only two child, not more than that. It have to represented by data with left right and the data with left right, again data with left. It may be null value, that's not a matter. So this is the format. So when you want to write a C program, you can start with the format. After you can write it. So data will be there and asterisk left and asterisk right will be there. So here now see and what is traversing. Here the question is what is traversing. Traversing is nothing but visit all nodes in the given node. Okay, visit all the nodes in the given tree. So here there are three types of traversing there. One is called pre-order. So pre-order means you have to remember root. First it will visit the root, then left tree, then at last right tree, then in order. So in order means it always first visit the left node, start from the left node and then root at last right. Then post order. In post order, first will is left, then right, after it go for the root last. Remember, so traversing means what? Visit all the nodes and print all the elements in the given tree. So pre-order means first start from root, then left, then go right. In order means first left, then root, then right. Then post order means left to right, at last root. Here, let's say example. Here I have a node called 12, 5, 6 and 19. Now if you apply post order, how it will be? So 5, 12, 6, 1, 9 will be there. 5, 6, 5, post order example 5, 12, okay, because left root again right, okay, 6, 1, 9 will be there. Let's say example how to implement. So I am going to show the program in the notepad. Before going, I have a, let's assume that I am going to create a program, C program where I am to create a node, root node called 1 and subtree called 2 and 3. The again and the two left side, two children having another child called 4. So this is the one I am going to do. So once I done the program, what happens means it will generate the output where I am creating the program 1, 2, 3, 4. For this program, it will display the pre-order, post-order and the in-order. Let's go for another mode. Here notepad I am writing very simple program. I am showing here very easy and simple. I execute also. I show in online compiler. So std.lab.h for additional all these all library functions. So first representing, I am representing the binary success node int item success node as left as right, because in a root I am going to create one left and one right, not more than that. Then I am going to write a program for void inner traversal. I am going to write if success node star then root then open brace. If root is called null, what happened? It return nothing, return or exit automatically. Then in order travels, what is the parameter following? Root then left. First to go to visit the root, then left. Then print a percentage d, then root and item. Suppose in the left side any item in the left side, it will go and print. In order traversal, at last what happened? After root left, then it go from the root left, then it go to the right. Then pre-order, as just we seen in the traversing formula, void print order is the same. If our root is called null, if no value, what happened? It stop and return. Then print a percentage d root then item. So what are the root? What root have it? Go and try to print it. Then pre-order traversal, it go root left, at last root left right. Just now see the example. Then void post also, if root is called null, return. If post order traversal, what happened? Root left, then root right. What are the information? It go and print. When I go percentage d, it go and print the information. At last root item. And create a node. Now I am the user. I am going to create a node. How can I create a node in the C program? So I can use the structure. Structure node has to create node of value. Then open brace. Structure node. New node is called malloc of size of struct node. So malloc is malloc is a function where when I write the program, we can help to create the node. Okay, create the node at runtime. So new node item value. New then I am giving new node since left and new node left right null, that is return new node. So this is the one. Just remember, I am going to create empty node. First I am creating a node like this. Create a node, then left and right. First initially it will be null, then I can insert the values. I am the user, I am going to insert the value to the program. So now how I am going to insert the value on the left on the node. So I am writing structure node insert left structure node root comma int value. In the root, first what I do in the program, we have to, just now I told I am going to create a node what 1 2 3 at last 4 like that. So root left, then create node value, return root left. Then insert on the right side, same I can write struct node and so on. Insert right struct node root comma int value, then root right, create node of value, return root right on the int main. So this is the main area where I am going to write the insert the values. Based on that only it will show the result of the program. So structure node root, create node of 1. So first initial root value is 1, then insert left root 2 and insert right 3. Just now show the diagram. So 1 left 2 and right 3. Again I am going to write then insert left 4. That means what? After 2 left side 4 will be there. Then print in order traversal. In order traversal, just in order traversal root. Similarly print a pre-order root and print a post order of travels root. So you know just now given the code here. So based on that one, it will execute the output now. Let's go for execute the program. So simply easy. So like that is display. So before going, let's show the diagram again. So I done the program where I create node. Root node is 1 and left side 2, right side 3, at last 4. But that is 4 is a subchildren of 2. Let's go for execute the program. So already executed, again executing. So we have to represent the data, then you can go for execute it. Yeah, successfully above program executed. The binary I done. So executed, showing it will print the in order tree, that is 4213. Then pre-order show 1243. At last post order showing 4230. So like that we can print the traversing. So remember, traversing is nothing but visit all the nodes in any order and print all the values in the values or data or items in the given tree. I hope that you understand. If you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.